Let's take a look at exercise 4.9. It's called Say and Tell. Now, we've all heard both those words, say and tell. I say to him, or I tell him. What's the difference? Well, let's take a look at this first sentence. Say and tell have the same meaning, but we use them differently. This is the way I like to think of the difference between say and tell. Say is less direct than tell. If I say something, I may say something to nobody. I may say something to many people. There may be people there to hear me, and I say something. But that does not necessarily mean that I am telling them something. If I look at my dog and say, "You are a good dog," I am saying to my dog, "You are a good dog." But if I look at my dog and say, "Go eat your dinner," that's telling him to do something. I am not saying to do something, I am telling him. So tell is a more direct word. When you think of say and tell, think of tell as being something that you say when you are looking at someone and directing them to tell. Here are some of the examples, though they are not really great. She said her name. Maybe she was alone. Maybe people were there. But she did not tell someone her name. She just said her name. How about this? She told me her name. Do you see the difference? In this sentence, she's telling a person, me. It's more direct. This is indirect or less direct. She said her name to me. In this case, it's not as direct. They told the musicians to start the music. They looked at the musicians more than likely and told them to do it. It's direct. She said that she wanted a big wedding. She wasn't necessarily telling someone she wanted. She just made a statement. It's less direct. So, let's look at exercise 15. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of say or tell. Now notice it says the correct form. So, in some cases, you may have to use something other than the present tense form of that word. So the present tense of this word is say, the past tense is said, and the future tense is will say. The present tense of this word is tell, the past tense is told, and the future tense would be will tell. Let's look at the examples. Number 1, the bride said, "I love you." Notice that in this sentence, it does not say to whom the bride said that she loves them. So, the word said is appropriate. And notice, you did not use the word say. It's past tense. The bride said, "I love you." They told us the date. Why are we using the past tense of tell? Because told to whom? Us. So there's a person or a group of people that are actually being told this information. So we use the verb tell. And it is a windy day, and I love it. You can hear the chimes over there, right? This is my backyard, so Let's look at number 3. You blank me the groom's name, but I forgot it. Well, you told or you said? Well, it would be told, right? You told me. Why? Because you were distinctly, directly telling someone, me. Remember, tell is more direct. Say is less direct. Okay? Go ahead and do these 9. Fill in these blanks with the correct answer. Take a picture of them, and then send it to me. Okay? Good luck.